Hi there, students. Sinister. Okay, sinister is an adjective. It describes something that looks ominous. It suggests that something bad will happen or that there is evil. Yeah? Okay, so ominous, sinister, foreboding. It looks evil. It gives you the feeling that something unpleasant is going to happen. It's eerie. It suggests evil. It threatens evil. Yeah, it disturbs you. So, I don't know, in a horror movie you always have a sinister house. There's something strange about it. There's something bad, and you get the feeling that if you go in, something bad is going to happen to you. There was a sinister man standing on the corner. It looked like he was going to do something bad. Maybe he was going to rob a house, or maybe he was going to hurt somebody. Okay, so if a person looks sinister, it looks like they're going to do bad. He had very sinister eyes, and it made me feel that he was evil. Somebody could have a sinister motive for doing something. So maybe somebody is very pleasant to you, but they have sinister motives underneath. They want something else from you. Yeah? Okay, so sinister. There's a bad feel about it. It gives you the feeling that something is wrong, something is not right. Yeah? Maybe it's evil or supernatural or just plain bad. Yeah? In a sinister place, you get the feeling that something bad is going to happen to you. You don't know what, but you just get this feeling. The place looks ominous. In your horror movie, you always have this sinister music at key moments. Music that sounds like something is up. There is something evil or wrong. Yeah, it sounds like sinister forces are at work. Yeah, evil forces. Okay, what about the origin of this word? Well, this word comes from Latin, and in Latin, sinister means left. So, well, maybe it's against left people, but most people are right-handed, so I think this has the idea of not normal, although left-handed people are perfectly normal. Okay, so something that's sinister, something that's ominous, it looks evil, it looks bad. It gives you a bad feeling that something evil is going to happen. Yeah? Okay, it's eerie, if you like, as well. What about formality? I think formality is a neutral word, maybe slightly formal. It certainly sounds quite literary. It's a good word for an essay or things like that. Although you could use it when talking to your friends in the pub. Yeah, I'm sure they've got some sinister motive for doing this. Yeah, some reason, evil reason underneath. Okay, so sinister, a good word for you to use. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Sinister.